Dear students, teachers, and parents, I, Mrs. Ashwini Dipagaru, Principal of RM Dhariwal English Medium School, feel honored to present the annual report for the year 2024-25 of our school, highlighting the key events, achievements, and initiatives of the past academic year. In our school, we believe children must be taught how to think and not what to think. We give them the liberty. The first year of the school is the first step in a great adventure. We welcomed our tiny tots with great enthusiasm. It was Yoga Day celebration. Yoga for body, mind, and soul. Our tiny dots were great in meditation. After that, we had Ashadi Ekadashi celebration. The term Mauli means the one who loves like mother, selfless and pure. Our tiny dots dressed as Warkaris proceeded towards our Pandharpur. संपूर्ण शाळेत फक्त माऊली माऊलीचाच गजर झाला. After that, there was a patriotic singing competition. And our tiny dots showed their love towards their country and they sang so beautifully. Next was Independence Day celebration. India is great. India is grand where we celebrate Independence Day. Our students were so eager that early morning they dressed up in various costumes with a message of Green India, Clean India were the center of attraction that day. Each and everybody loved them so much. Next was Rakhi making competition. And you won't believe these tiny dots made so beautiful Rakhis. You can see on the screen over here, they were just engrossed in their work and they made so beautiful Rakhis in school. After that was the grand celebration of Krishna Janmashtami. All these nutcut little Krishnas were invited with their beautiful, loving and caring Devkis and Yashodas. Yes, we had invited all the mothers for the Krishna Janmashtami celebration dressed up like Devki and Yashoda, and all the children were dressed like Kanha. That was an amazing event. Everybody loved it so much. They had a great time there. After that, we had Rangotsav drawing competition. Our tiny dots are not less in that. They made beautiful drawings and they achieved so many prizes in Rangotsav competition also. Then came the Teachers' Day. Our 10th standard students were very eager to come and enter in these classes and teach them. After that, we had Ganeshotsav. For that, a beautiful dance was set by our pre-primary staff for the kids, and they showed their talent and they showed their love towards Ganesha and they offered their prayers to the Lord. After that was the monsoon activity. We all know children love to play in rain. They were really enjoying that day with their tiny umbrellas. They were singing it from the bottom of their heart. Rain, rain, come soon. I will feed you with my silver spoon. And it happened. Yes, it started raining. This year for Navratri celebration, we had invited our mother parents too. And we had a Garba and Dandiya for everyone here. After that was the Diwali celebration. Here in RM Dhariwal English Medium School, we enjoy all the festivals, especially with the pre-primary section. We had a wonderful celebration of Diwali. They were dressed in beautiful attires and they wished each other Happy Diwali. After Diwali vacation, we had our Children's Day celebration. For the Children's Day, very special day in their lives, we have arranged fancy dress competition for them and it was made compulsory. Each and every tiny dot took part in fancy dress competition and they showed their talents on the occasion of Children's. After that was the Christmas celebration. Our children were dressed like Santa Claus. They were wearing red dresses. They had Santa caps put on and they danced to the tune of We Wish This year we have taken them for a trip to Shinde farmhouse. And they enjoyed the good food over there. They enjoyed the rides, bullock cart ride especially, and they played in all sorts of adventure games over there. And they were very happy. They were not ready even to come back to school. For the sports events, we have taken our pre-primary section City Bora College ground this year, and they enjoyed there too. They had their games, and even they got their medals the same day. They were proudly showing each other the medals achieved by them. I thank all the lovable parents for their valuable suggestions and efficient and hardworking staff who are the pillars of this institution. And of course, my most loving students who made me smile every day with their unique styles. This is about our most precious section, pre-primary section. When we are with them, time just flies. I'm sure you're going to enjoy the fantastic program arranged by our Tiny Tots today. Thank you, one and all.